Hello,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Can you hear my
Yes, sir.
voice, sir?
Yes,
Can you hear my voice?
Hello,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay.
Hi. Good. Okay, I'm going to start today's session. Okay, I will start today's session in 5 minutes. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
I'm going to start today's session. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes,
Yes, I
sir.
hear.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good. Okay, mute your mics, everyone. Okay, till now I explained about the strong levels and the trend and 5-second confirmation. The 5-second confirmation is nothing but a rejection. But we can't identify the proper rejection in 1 minute candle. That's why we should see the 5-second chart if we get the experience to identify the 5-second confirmation. Just a minute. And the entry points, the buyers and sellers entry point, and the strong levels. And the strong buyers and sellers entry points and the strong buyers and sellers area. Okay, there is a strong buyers and sellers area because we are seeing a strong bearish momentum, a strong candle, again a strong candle, strong candle, strong candle. From this level, we are seeing a strong sellers entry. This is a strong sellers area, but it broke this level because the the sellers area is here. There is a gap, so the buyers may enter because we are seeing a bullish momentum. So the buyers enter, but the buyers broke this level because of this bullish momentum. There is a bullish momentum means the buyers are very strong in the market, so it may break this level. If the market break this level, it means it may reverse after breakout. There is a chance to reverse after breakout, but we need to see a rejections in this candle. If we get any rejections in this candle, we can go with sellers on the next candle. But if we don't see any rejection in this candle, we can't go with sellers on the next candle. We should wait for this candle to close. If the candle closed as a small bearish candle or a bullish candle, then we can go with buyers or sellers. We can't go with buyers or sellers after this candle directly because this is a strong sellers area, at this sellers area, if we get any weak candle like this, there is a weak candle and we are seeing a strong bullish momentum, again a strong candles. In this candle also we are seeing a strong rejection. This is a weak candle. The weak candle is at the strong sellers area. At the strong sellers area, we are seeing a weak sellers area. We are seeing a weak sellers entry and a strong buyers entry. The buyers are strong, the sellers are weak. The sellers are weak at the strong sellers area. It means the sellers are not interested or few sellers are interested. It means we can't go with sellers or we can't go with buyers too. It's better to avoid to trade on after this candle, or if you want to go with, if you want to trade, it's better to place a higher option because this is a strong sellers area. At the strong sellers area, we are seeing a weak sellers entry. If you see a weak sellers entry at the strong sellers area, and if you see a strong buyers entry and a weak sellers entry, it means the buyers may easily break this level because there are some few buyers, few sellers. A few sellers are interested in the market and the sellers are not interested, or a few sellers are interested and there is a strong buyers in the market. The buyers tried very strongly to break this level but they failed because of sellers, but the sellers are not strong with compared to buyers. So the buyers will enter again. You should remember this point. This is a reversal sign at the resistance level, but with compared to this sellers entry, this is a resistance level, but this is a strong sellers area. I already told you about the strong sellers area because we are seeing a strong sellers entry from this level. This is a strong sellers area. If you see any weakness in the sellers at the strong sellers area, it means the sellers are not strong. We can go with buyers. This is a continuation. If you see a weak candle at the sellers area, yes.
Hello, sir. I made an observation today.
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. What I observed was the price got to this level, but it did not respect this level. It kept going up. It kept going up. So I tried to look at the previous strong areas to see what was making it not to. Like it was a strong upward movement, and I lost like 3 trades. I was going to ask you if it's normal, because the price broke through all the strong points, all the strong seller zones from here at different levels. It kept going up. It was not respecting those levels, and the price just kept going up.
Okay.
My question is
This
like, why?
level.
Yes, it kept breaking various levels at different points. It was not respecting them. It kept going up. I don't know why such thing happens.
This is a strong sellers area, but we are seeing a weak sellers entry, right? Previous buyers are strong, the sellers are weak, and there is a rejection from buyers. This is a weak sellers entry, that's why the buyers enter, right? After this candle too, we can expect a buyers entry, but instead of buyers we are seeing sellers entry. It means sellers are interested here. Again, if market come to this level, again we can go with sellers because there are no buyers. We are seeing a strong sellers, right?
Okay, sir.
And here also the sellers enter very strongly. The sellers enter very strongly, but there are some strong buyers from this level, right? We are seeing a strong buyers from this level and a weak sellers from this level. Because of this weakness in the sellers, we are seeing a buyers entry. But after this candle, we can expect a buyers candle, but instead of buyers candle, we are seeing a sellers candle. But the sellers candle is very strong. The strong candle is a sign of reversal, and there is a rejection. The closing point is at the previous strong buyers area, right? That's why it reversed.
Okay.
Clear? Sometimes we can get a reversal points like this. There is a reversal point. Again, there is a reversal point. Sometimes you can get a reversal point like this. At this type of situations, sometimes you may lose. It's very common.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Yes. If last yesterday's session, if
Okay.
this candle ends up like a doji or a bearish hammer, right?
Okay.
Since this is the resistance area, so
Yes.
told us that it is a sign of
Reversal.
right? But if this is what they call this a weak candle, the price may still go up, right?
Yes. This is a sign of reversal, but we should not take this candle as a reversal sign if we see any strong price action on the left side. Clear?
If we see
If we see any strong
momentum,
bearish momentum on the left side at the same level, we can't take this candle as a reversal sign.
okay,
Clear?
okay.
If this is a level, or if this is a strong level, we can take this level. We can take this candle as a reversal sign. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is the difference on it. I will show you. I will show you here. Okay, I will draw strong level here. Okay, this one. Okay, there is no level. I will change the floor. 1 minute, I will give you a clarification. Okay, here I will draw one line. There is a level. Okay. Yes, there is a level here. The level is a strong level. The market is respecting. 1 minute, I will check the present market. Okay, this is a level. The market is respecting. I will adjust the level. Okay. This is a high value market, and this is a low value market. This is a low value market. Okay, if you see, there is a reversal, 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 rejection, reversal, no reversal, no reversal. There is a reversal. Here also reversal, 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 reversal. Okay, we are seeing so many reversals, but sometimes the market is not respecting. Okay, this is a strong level. Okay, this is a strong level, right? Okay, at this strong level, if we get any reversal point, we can trust the market will reverse at least for 1 minute. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If there is any strong minute, if there is any strong seller buyer's entry like this, at this strong buyer's entry, if we get any weak candle and a strong seller's entry and a strong bearish momentum, it means the next candle may go down. There are more chances to go down. Sometimes it will go up, right? This is a reversal sign, but we are seeing an initial market. Sometimes it will be a bearish candle too. Okay, mostly it will be a bearish candle. Sometimes it will go down. It will go up, right?
Right. Yeah. Okay.
So this is a strong buyer's entry. At the strong buyer's entry, we are seeing a weak buyer's entry, and previously we are seeing a strong seller's entry. So this type of weak candle can't stop the selling pressure. Got it?
Okay.
So here also so I am explaining the same point here also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you should always remember one thing. If you see any strong seller entry like this, at the same seller entry, if you see any weak seller entry, a weak seller entry, and place the strong buyers entry, it means the buyers will definitely go up. More
Okay.
than 80%, more than 90%, it will go up. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes it will go down.
Sir,
Very rare person, right? Yes.
if we had any rejections like this,
What will it
so if we had, we could get for a lower trade for this candle.
If we get a rejection like this, it
Yes.
means the sellers are here. So it will go up, and if market reach this level, there is a chance to go down. Okay, but it will
Okay.
be go up.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
So always remember one thing: if there is any strong bullish momentum like this, one single candle can't stop the selling pressure, because we are seeing a buying pressure in the market. If you see any single candle at the strong sellers area or after the strong buying pressure, the single candle can't stop the buying pressure, so
Excuse
it
me,
will go
sir.
up. Yes,
So I have a question.
yes.
In this candle, where are the buyers?
Which candle?
This candle.
Actually, the buyers are here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So when the market will come here, we have to look the buyer opportunity here or here.
The buyers are here.
Okay.
The buyers are here according to this candle, and the buyers are here because we are seeing a strong buyers, strong buyers, strong buyers, strong buyers. Okay?
Okay.
There is a reversal point here, and there is a round number. The market is respecting this round number. A strong candle, again a weak candle, again a very weak candle. Right?
Okay.
There is a rejection at the round number, and here also. But here we are seeing weak candle, again buyers entry.
One doubt.
Yes.
In this candle, the buyers are here.
Yes.
The buyers has pushed the price to this place, to this.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So the buyers should be here, na?
Yes. Yes. Already we know the buyers are here, right? Because there is a row number. From this level, the market got support, again buyers entry, again buyers entry, again buyers entry, again buyers.
Yes.
This is a level, right?
Yes.
There is a strong rejection, and the sellers try very strongly, but the closing point is at the buyers area. That's why again buyers enter. Got it?
Okay. No, what I mean to ask is, for the next level, where should we take this buyers, here or here?
This is also a buyer's entry. This is also a buyer's entry. But previously we know this is a buyer's entry. Now we know this is a buyer's entry. Okay.
Okay.
Already we know there is a buyer's entry. But the candle, there is a gap. The candle filled this gap and it broke this gap. Right? It
Okay.
broke this level. After this breakout, there is a rejection. There is a rejection, and this is a strong buyer's entry. Again, there is a strong buyer entry. The market broke this level. There is a rejection. The rejection is showing us the buyer center in the market, right? Again, buyer centered, but the buyers are not strong.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Oh,
the VIX also tells us that means the VIX would tell us the possible reversal area.
Yes. Let me show you. You can see here, right? Sellers, weak buyers, strong sellers, weak buyers, strong buyers, strong buyers, strong buyers, right? The buyers entry very strongly from this level, right?
Okay.
Clear? In the 5 seconds. This is 1 minute. Clear?
Yes, sir. The VIX also shows us in a pattern that the
Yes.
most possibly.
But we should know where the market closed. Okay? Net I will show you. There is a level here, and here also I think this level, right?
Okay.
This level. The entry points, right?
Yes.
Entry points. So from this level there is a rejection. Again we are seeing a strong rejection. So there is a strong rejection, but the candle closing point is at the near to this buyer's entry and near to this buyer's entry, right? Okay, near to this buyer's entry and the near to this buyer's entry and near to this buyer's entry. Okay,
Okay.
the closing point of this candle is at the buyer's area. So there are more chance to enter buyers because already we are seeing a buyer's domination.
Okay.
Okay,
And how we trade at this level, sir?
which level? Right here.
This level. Because there is a strong rejection from the sellers.
Yes.
And now we are looking that we have is a rejection but not strong like that. So how do we analyze the market here that it will go down or it will go up?
There is a rejection. It means the rejection is showing us the seller center in the market from this level.
Yeah.
And we are seeing a very strong candle is a sign of reversal. If we get any confirmation in this candle or if we get any rejection in this candle, we can go with sellers on the next candle.
Okay, but
Yeah.
when you are looking at this candle, there is a rejection. We set up a sell signal. It's a seller zone. We are
There might
entering.
be a level. We should check.
So, but sometimes we don't have that much time to check the levels. When we
Then
are
don't
going.
trade.
Okay.
Then don't
Okay.
trade.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Don't waste your valuable money. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are
Excuse me, sir.
confident, then trade. If you don't have confidence, then don't trade. If you don't have to trade, then don't trade. Okay. If you don't have time to trade, then don't trade. Yes. Ask me.
I want to know which is the topic of today's classes. I would like the guys ask
So
after
they
the
are
class.
asking questions. They are asking
Okay.
questions. I must reply to them. There, I must reply or I must answer their questions. Right? Okay. I will continue today's class. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. I will continue today's class. So till now I explained about some topics on it. I will explain. So I already told you if there is any strong buying pressure, it's better to avoid to trade at this type of situation. Or after breakout, if you get any rejections in this candle, you can go with sellers. If you don't get any rejection in this candle, then don't trade. Or if you don't get in this candle a rejection or a seller's entry, you should wait for the next candle to get any seller's entry. If you don't get any seller's entry, then don't trade. It's better to go with confirmation on the next candle. Or you can trade on the next candle directly without confirmation too. Because if you get any confirmation in the previous candle, you can go with sellers on the next candle directly. Or it's better to go with sellers on the next candle with confirmation too. Okay, if you want to take a confirmation, you can take. If you don't want to take a confirmation, you can trade directly too. And one thing I want to tell you one thing. This is a reversal candle, and here also, and this is also a reversal candle. But if there is any strong buyers and a weak sellers at the strong sellers area, you can't go with sellers, and you can't go with buyers too, because sometimes it will go down, but mostly it will go up. So it's better to place a higher option if you want to place, or it's better to avoid to trade at this type of situation. So always remember this point, and I will till now I have explained about a strong level, a strong sellers area, and the strong buyers area. If you see any strong bullish momentum from one place, it means that is a strong buyers area. If you see any strong sellers entry from a place, it means that is a strong sellers area. And always remember a entry points like this. If you see any strong entry points like this, if you see any entry points, you can expect a third entry point on the next level. And if you see any strong sellers area like this, you can expect a reversal on the next candle. But you need a rejection in the previous candle or a present candle. If you get any rejection on the previous candle, you can go with the sellers on the present candle. And you should see the strong level every time by helping with the help of this price bar. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this one, there is a reversal point, and here also a reversal point. Okay, mostly the market reversal, rejection, reversal, and net ultra again. Okay, you can see reversal, and here also reversal, here also a rejection, again a reversal. So if you see the price bar, if the price bar is at the strong level, you should check the level is a strong level or not. If the market reverses 4 many times at this price bar, you can expect a reversal on the next candle, but you should observe the rejections always. Or if you want to check on 5 seconds, you can check on 5 seconds too. Like this 1 minute, I will show you. Okay, like this, one is for 1 minute and another one is for 5 seconds, like this. Okay, you can check like this. If the price bar is at the strong level, you can draw. I will draw clearly this one. This is a strong level. Reversal, rejection, reversal, fake breakout, reversal, and here also so many reversals. No reversal. Now the market is at the level. This is a strong level. If the market come to this level, you can place your trade, because this is the market respecting this level so many times. You no need to draw every time a level. If you see the price bar is at the so many reversal points, then you can expect a reversal on the present market. Okay, and I will show you one thing here. Okay, here. Okay, till now I explained so many points. The rejection is very important. And the trend. If the trend is uptrend, always follow the trend. If the trend is downtrend, always follow this trend. And if the candle is very weak candle, or if the candle is very weak candle, you can go with buyers. If the buyers are strong, the sellers are weak, you can go with buyers. If the buyers are strong, the sellers are weak, you can go with buyers on the next candle too. And if you see this market, the possible reversal point is here. And the possible reversal point is here. Yeah, there is a possible reversal point, and here also there is a possible reversal point, and here also very strong bullish momentum. These are the possible reversal points, and we are seeing a seller's entry from this level, not from this level. Previously the sellers are here, now the sellers are here, now the sellers are here. We are seeing bullish momentum, buyer's entry, again a buyer's entry, again buyers made a new high, again we are seeing a buyer's entry, and the next seller's entry point is here, or we are seeing the sellers directly at this area. So the sellers are here, and we are seeing indirectly the seller's entry or the seller's rejection from this level. So after this candle, can you guess what will be the next candle? Just tell me, everyone.
A bullish candle, sir.
Bullish.
Why?
Bullish.
Because the seller's entry point is here. I mean, at the red line.
Okay. This one
Yes,
or
sir.
this one?
This one, sir.
This one?
This one. Not this one, sir. This one. Present seller's entry point is here.
Okay.
Okay. So there is a strong bullish momentum. So
Okay.
there is more possibility that there is buyer's entry.
Okay. Good. Next.
I agree with him. This is Jeffrey. The
Yes.
next candle gonna be a bullish candle until they hit that's that resistance level right there where the green line is.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Next one is bullish
Hello,
candle.
sir.
Yes.
I go with buyers, sir,
Why?
because seller's entry point or say a strong level is very far from this candle.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I go with buyers.
Okay. Good. Next.
I would go with buyers because you don't have a rejection for here. Too. Next point is here.
Okay.
We are selling a bullish momentum, so I think it's going to be.
Or the next
bullish.
point is here. The next point is here, or the next point is here. We are seeing a seller's entry directly, indirectly from this level. We are seeing sellers directly from this level, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, very good.
Hello.
So there are more chance to go up. Yes,
Sir, I changed my decision.
yes.
I go with sellers, sir,
Why?
because it's making a new downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
That's why.
Only one reason.
Yes, sir.
You can't go with the sellers with only one possibility. Okay.
Okay, sir.
With
No,
one
sir,
possibility.
It will go more.
Yes, Mahesh.
It will go more up, sir.
We are seeing a minor uptrend. Okay, if you take this point as a major downtrend, this is a minor uptrend, right?
Yes.
Mark.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Okay, this is a minor uptrend, and we are seeing a bullish momentum, and the sellers are here, or
Yes, sir.
the sellers are here. The sellers are not here, right?
Yes, sir.
The sellers are here. That's why we are seeing a bearish candle. The sellers are here. That's why we are seeing a bearish candle. But the sellers are not here because we are seeing a bullish candle, right?
Yes, sir.
It means the sellers are not here, and this is a sign of 1 minute, and this is a sign of continuation, right? Because the sellers are not interested at this area. The sellers are not interested. You can take this candle as a continuation, and the next possibility of reversal is here,
Yes,
or the next possibility of reversal is here, because we are seeing a seller's entry from this level, and we are seeing a seller's entry indirectly from this level. Who wrote this? Ask me a question. Why this one red? Ask me.
Maybe he doesn't have microphone.
If you don't have any microphone, then ask me personally. Okay? Don't disturb this class. 1 minute. 1 minute.
I think he's asking why the red candle in the
Yes,
middle of
yes, I know, just wait. or this candle, this level. Okay, there is a red candle. I already explained this point in the previous session. There is a strong bearish momentum. In this bearish momentum, we are seeing a bullish engulfing candle. So we can expect a reversal or a retracement for this type of engulfing candle in the downtrend, because this engulfing pattern is a forex pattern, right? We can't apply this pattern in the binary options. I already explained this point, right? Got it?
Okay, sir.
So I already explained this point, and one thing is there might be a level, definitely. There might be a level on the left side, but we can't consider this type of weak levels every time. But there is a strong bearish momentum. If there is any strong engulfing pattern, there must be a retracement at least for 1 minute. If the retracement is very strong like this, it will go down. If the retracement is very weak like this, it will go up. Okay, not a screw shot, but mostly it will happen in the market. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir,
So yes,
sir, how to predict this candle, sir? Because we
candle.
are seeing this is a very big rejection here. So basically, we are predicting for a lower trade, right?
Yes, but it will go up because there is a huge rejection, and the candle closing point are the rejections from sellers area. But still, we are seeing a bullish candle. What does it mean?
There are sellers, there are buyers in the market, right?
No sellers, right? The sellers are not strong, or no sellers are interested. Okay, this is a seller's area.
Okay.
This is a seller's area. At the seller's area, we are seeing a huge rejection from sellers, and the closing point is at the seller's area. Mostly the next candle will go down. But instead of a bearish candle, we are seeing a bullish candle. What does it mean?
Okay.
Yes, Sumit?
Yeah.
Tell me. What does it mean? Instead of bearish candle, we are seeing a bullish candle.
So sellers are active.
It means the buyers are active.
Buyers are active. Sorry.
No sellers are interested. Or
Oh yeah, yeah.
the sellers are very weak.
Okay.
How can you go with sellers? The sellers are very weak because the sellers are interested here. Or we can go with sellers confidently from this level. We can't go with sellers from this level confidently because we are seeing a bullish candle. Clear?
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this I think the level is here, sir. Level is here. This candle closed below the level. I mean, for next candle with whom I mean, do I need to trade put or call, sir? Next candle because this candle closed below this level.
Yes, it call because if the candle closed below the level,
Sir.
Your question is the candle closed below the level. What
I
is
mean,
the
this
next
candle,
candle, right?
inverted hammer. This inverted hammer closed below this level.
Already closed below the level.
Yes, sir. Already this one closed below the level because if this inverted hammer closed below the level in yesterday class, you
Yes,
told.
it will go down.
Yes, sir.
But it didn't go down.
Okay. So if I opt for the put, it will be wrong, sir.
Yes, we can go with sellers on the next candle, but it didn't go down. It means
Yes.
it didn't go down. That too, we are seeing a strong bullish candle.
Yes, sir.
We are seeing a bullish candle means the sellers are not interested, right?
Yes, sir.
The market wants to go up
Yes, sir.
according to this candle.
Yes, sir.
So we can't go with sellers.
Okay, sir.
We can go with sellers from this level, or we can go with sellers from this level.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll show you the next candle here. Bullish candle. Can you guess what is the next candle?
Bullish candle only, sir.
Why?
Because this candle made a new high.
I agree with him.
And the seller's entry point is here. There is a huge gap between these 2 points. So there will be a bullish candle. That spinning top is a continuation sign.
Okay.
This is Jeffrey. I agree with him. The next candle going to be a bullish candle, but it may reverse if it's hit that support right there on that long stem candle.
There is no support level.
Yeah.
Or there is no resistance level.
Yeah, so chance of reverse, maybe either going to break that support resistance level right there, or it's going to fall right under it. But I'm thinking it's going to be a bullish candle.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Sir, I go with buyers, sir.
Why?
Because entry points is far from this candle, sir. Sellers or buyers. And it is the middle of the trend. The trend is uptrend. That's why I go with buyers.
Okay, very good answer. And here one thing, this is a level. If the candle closed below this level, we can expect the candle as a reversal sign. But the candle closed above the level, it means this is not a reversal sign, right? If this is not a reversal sign, what does it mean? It may continue the market. There is a chance to continue. But we can't take this candle as a continuous candle. But this is not a reversal sign, means it may continue in the market. So there is a chance to go up at least to this level or at least to this level. So I will show you the next candle. Now tell me what is the next candle.
I think it's gonna be a bearish candle because you have a new minimum here, a new minimum here, sorry, and a new maximum, new low maximum, new low here, yes.
Okay.
And I think that this candle is showing pressure from sellers, so I'm expecting a reversal here because sellers were here in the previous candle, and it may go down here.
Okay, very good. Is there any sellers on the left side?
I'm disagreeing. This is Jeffrey again. I'm thinking it's going to be a bullish candle. It doesn't have a wick there, even though it made a lower low. It still doesn't have a wick, didn't receive any rejection. So until it get to that level of that long stem candle there, I'm still taking it up.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Sir, I go with buyers again.
Why?
Because the seller's entry point is far from this, and this is pressure from buyers in this candle.
Okay.
That's why I go with buyers.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Green candle, sir. Next candle.
Why, Mahesh?
Because of seller's area far from current level, sir.
Okay.
Then,
can you speak loudly?
Previous movement is a bullish movement, sir.
Okay.
And then buyers pressure are more compared with sellers, sir.
Okay, very good. That's it?
Green candle, sir.
Yes, Rodal?
Yeah, green candle. Because it started here and sellers tried to push down, but buyers are still there and ended up with no rejection.
Okay.
So and there's still a gap here. So I'll go with buyers.
Okay, very good. Next.
So I will go with buyers.
Yes.
Yes, and because there is no rejection, and the seller zone this and there was no weak, there was no rejection, and it has not hit the seller zone yet.
Very good. Next.
I go with sellers because it didn't make any new high, but it made a new low.
Okay.
It closed the previous candle. It closed within the previous candle, so. The sellers will act because last candle itself they acted, but they couldn't break. But this time they will break.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Sir, I will go with the buyers, sir. There is a strong bullish momentum.
Okay.
And in this candle, there are sellers, but buyers are more. So, and the seller's entry point is here. So, there is a more possibility that buyers will again enter.
Okay, very good answer. Next. Next,
So
we have to
the
speak. If you don't speak, you can't learn.
sir, this is a level, right? Seller level,
Yes,
and it has a new low, right?
yes.
So there is a chance it will go down.
Okay, very good. Where is the closing part of this candle?
Closing point is here.
Where is the closing point? At the sellers area or above the sellers area?
Sir, it has closed at the buyer's area, I think. Here, sir.
Okay, first of all, one thing remember always. Jiva, are there?
So I'm there.
Okay. So always think one thing. We are seeing a bullish momentum. It means we can't go against the trend because the buyers are strong in the market. Because I'm saying the buyers are strong, it means we are seeing some rejections, but still we are seeing a bullish candle, right?
Yes, sir.
The sellers are trying, but they fail every time. They fail every time because of the strong buyers. The buyers are strong, that's why we are seeing a bullish momentum. If you see any bullish momentum, or if you see any bearish momentum and bullish momentum, we can't go against the trend. I already made a video on this point. I made a video on this point because I placed some trades at the buyer's area and seller bullish momentum and bearish momentum. Some trades I placed my trades without any reason. I placed my trades only because of bearish momentum, only because of bullish momentum. I got 6 items in the 1 minute. Because if you see any strong bullish momentum, it means it may go more up. There are more chances to go up. So we can't go against the trend. The first logic. And the second logic is already I told you, if you see any this type of candle at the sellers area, we can go with sellers because already we are seeing a sellers entry. The candle closing point is near to sellers area, so it may go up because of this buying pressure, but it will go down again. But this is not a sellers area. The sellers are here, the sellers are here, and the next sellers are here. There is a rejection from sellers, and there is a rejection from sellers, and we are seeing a sellers entry directly. There is a gap, and we are seeing a bullish momentum. It may break this level very easily because there is no strong price action on the left side. We are seeing the sellers indirectly in the market, not directly in the market. So we can't go with sellers confidently. We can go with buyers confidently because of this bullish momentum, because of this uptrend, and there is no sellers on the left side. Got it, Shiva?
Yeah, got it.
So there is no level on the left side. First of all, the level is here and the level is here. There is no level first of all, and there is a new low. We can't consider this new low in the middle of the trend. If there is any price action on the left side, we can take this new low as a selling trigger. We can go with sellers after this candle. We can take this candle as a reversal sign. But there is no level. How can we go with sellers? Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Okay. There is a trade center. Now tell me what will be the next one.
I'm thinking, this is Jeffrey again. I'm thinking that the next candle gonna be a bearish candle, gonna be a red candle because I think this may have hit support up there to the top on the left hand side. So even though it looks like a strong bullish candle, but I think it has hit support. So the next candle gonna be a red candle.
Okay. Next.
Sir, I cannot predict the next candle because there is a strong momentum and the candle ended in the sellers area. There is strong sellers entry from this point, but this bullish momentum may break the level. I mean, next candle there is a possibility there is a green candle, but it ended here. So I will wait for the confirmation to go with the sellers. Otherwise, I will leave the candle. I will
get a confirmation. You can place a web option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. I will take a confirmation for 5 seconds, sir.
Okay, very good. Next.
Sir, this candle is at a seller level, and there is not enough buyer pressure I can see here. So even though this candle is strong, there is a chance it will go down, sir.
Okay, next.
So I will go with the buyers because there is a strong momentum going up and there is no sign of rejection from the seller zone. So there's a very high possibility that it's going to break through this seller zone.
Okay, very good answer. Okay, just wait. I will come back. Just a minute.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
I think it's gonna be a
Yes.
Strong seller area.
Okay.
Will 1 minute candle reverse red candle.
Okay, next.
That is 1 minute.
Okay, very good.
I think also you have this strong sellers area here. I'm expecting to have a candle like this.
But we are seeing a strong buyer's entry too.
Yes, but this type of big candles used to reverse the market, I think.
Very
But
good answer. Very good answer. Next.
Sir, strong level will reverse the market, sir. Strong
Okay.
movement, sir.
Okay.
And then this can also quick candles, sir. It will reverse the market, I think. 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, it might be reversed back because the buyers lose their momentum there, and there is a reversal level. The sellers are there. We have seen no rejection from this point,
Okay.
so it might be.
Very good candle.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Rajesh?
Sir, I already told, sir.
Okay, very
I'll
good.
wait for the confirmation
Yes,
because
Vamsi Krishna?
break the level.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vamsi Krishna, are you there? Nalswa?
Yes, sir. I may skip this trade. I'll wait for the next candle because this is still a strong, for me, this is still a strong bullish momentum.
Okay, very good answer.
But
Yeah, there is a strong bearish momentum, there is a strong bullish momentum. It's better to avoid. My advice is, if you want to trade, it's better to go with sellers because now the market is at the sellers area. Okay? The market is at the sellers area. The candle is very strong and is sudden buyer's entry, very strong buyer's entry. So there is a chance to reverse because this is a Maravich candle near to this sellers area, or there is a chance to fill up this gap too. There is a chance to fill up this gap too like this. Then it may reverse. So this is the industrial market because Because of this strong buyer's entry, it may break this level. Because of this seller's entry, it may go down. It's better to wait for the next candle. Or if you want to place your trade, it's better to place a lower option because now the market is at the seller's area. Okay, I will show you the next candle here. Can you guess what is the next candle?
Oh my God.
Bullish candle, sir.
Hmm?
Green candle, bullish candle only. Next candle.
Why?
Because this is the strong bullish momentum, and a single candle cannot stop this bullish candle. So at least for 1 minute there will be a bullish candle. Then
Okay.
there may be a bearish candles.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
This is Jeffrey again. I'm thinking also maybe a bullish candle, but I will wait for a 5-second confirmation to make absolutely sure.
Next candle is green candle, sir. Why at buyer area? This candle will finish buyer area. See,
Where is the buyer's area?
just one. This one. This one, sir.
This is not a buyer's area.
So this will finish, right?
This is the uptrend, right?
Uptrend. So here the buyer's area. Sorry.
The buyers are here, and the
here.
sellers are here, and the buyers are here, and the buyers are here, and the sellers are here.
Sorry.
I think it's gonna be I think it's gonna be a bearish candle because
Why?
I have sellers here at this area,
Okay.
and then I have buyers here at this area, the next buyers area, and this is a strong bearish candle. It's not a weak bearish candle, so that's why I think it's gonna be red here. But if this candle was a little candle, I expect a green one. But because of this big bearish candle, I'm expecting that's going to be a red one, and because I have a new low, so
Okay.
that's the reason I would expect a.
Okay, we can expect a very bullish candle too, right?
Yes, it might be a bullish candle because I have seen many times on a level we see same candle form like that, and we have seen a rejection here. So it might go up.
Yes.
It will break the level.
Very good answer. Next.
Sir, it is a weak bearish candle, sir.
Why?
Sir, first of all, this bearish candle is strong, and we are seeing a small amount of rejection from buyers here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Yes.
the next candle can be a weak bearish candle, sir.
Okay. Very good answer. Next.
Sir, I go with buyers, sir.
Why?
Because one single candle cannot stop the buyer's
Like
force. Yes, sir.
Very good answer. Next. Sumit.
Sir, I go with seller.
Why?
Previous seller entry is weak. This seller entry is very strong.
But the market didn't at this level.
Yes, previous seller entry is compared to currently now weak. Currently seller entry very strong. This I will go to
Okay, good.
seller.
It will be a bullish candle.
Okay.
It is a strong uptrend, and that red candle is a retracement candle.
Okay.
So the trend will continue after that. So it will be a green candle.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Sir, it's going to be a green candle because it's an uptrend and one red candle comes to bullish momentum now.
Okay. So according to your answers, 50% of your 50% of the people says the next candle will go up. Some says the next candle will go down. So there is a 50 chances. It's better to avoid. But there is a strong bullish momentum. Mostly the next candle will go up. There is a new low. Sometimes the market will respect this new low too. But there is a strong bullish momentum, means this type of candle, not only this type of candle, this type of candles also not can't stop the selling pressure, can't stop the buying pressure. The next candle will go up mostly, but sometimes it will go down, but mostly it will go up. So the next candle will be a bullish candle. Wait, I will show you here. The next candle is a bearish candle, not a bullish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
The green candle, sir.
Why?
Because it closed very near to the buyer's entry point.
So it's a big candle, sir. Reversal
Very
sign.
big candle. So this is a sign of reversal,
Okay.
and they closed at the buyer's area. So there will be the next candle will be bullish candle at least for 1 minute.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
There is no rejection in the previous candle. It's a solid red candle, so there were no buyers in the previous candle. So we have to wait for the confirmation, or else go with sellers. Yeah, because there is no confirmation in the previous candle. There is no rejection at the bottom. So we have to wait for confirmation. If there is no confirmation, we
Confirmation for sellers. Okay.
sellers for,
If there is
for
no
buyers.
confirmation, you can go with sellers.
Yeah,
If you get any confirmation, you can go with
yeah,
buyers,
yeah,
right? Okay, very good answer. Next.
Sir, I go with buyers, sir.
Why?
Because the candle is Marabuzu candle. It's very big. It is a sign of reversal.
Very good answer.
And the candle closed at the buyer's zone.
Okay, very good.
So I will go with buyers because the previous buyers are very strong.
Yes.
This is Jeffrey. I'm saying that the next candle is going to be a bullish candle because that candle closed that support there. So most likely it's going to be a reversal.
Strong buyers area. Yes.
I think it's gonna be. We have a strong buyer's area here at this point. We don't have a big here, so maybe it's gonna be another red candle up to at least these levels of these weeks. So I'm expecting a red candle because this is also a strong selling pressure coming from here. So I'm expecting a red, at least a little red one candle because of that.
Okay. Sometimes it happens. Very good. Next.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
I believe this will be a green candle because of I think this is a strong support area because there's a lot of rejections in this area. So I believe this will be a green candle.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Sir, I go with green candle because it's on the level. But strong red candle is a reversal.
Okay, very good answer. That's it. And the minor trend also uptrend. Okay. So a strong buyer's entry. The candle closed at the level. A Marubuzu candle is a sign of reversal, and the candle closing point is at the level, and a strong candle is a sign because we are seeing a seller's entry from this level to this level directly. Very strong candle. So this is a sign of reversal. The candle closing point is the buyer's area. It's better to go with buyers. If you even lost this trade, it's better to go with buyers because the candle closing point is the buyer's area. There are some strong rejections. There are some strong rejections and a strong buyer's entry. At the strong buyer's entry, we are seeing a strong candle, very strong candle, a sign of reversal. So this is a strong candle. This is a strong buyer's area. We can expect a bullish candle mostly. Mostly it will go up. Sometimes it will go down. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
I'm going to take a guess.
Bearish candle.
It's a bullish candle, sir. Bullish candle. Bullish candle. Why? Because this is a spinning top candle, right?
Yes.
So spinning top, the support or resistance level should be reversal, right?
Yes.
Yes, so this is the bullish candle. Next.
Very good answer. Next.
Sir, this is the level, I think, sir.
Which
This is
one?
the level.
Right. Yes.
And there
Yes,
is a
there is
strong seller's momentum before this candle. So I think there will be a sellers, I mean red candle here.
Okay. With competitive sellers, buyers are very weak, right? Yes.
This is Jeffrey. I'm gonna take a guess here. I see that support over there. I'm thinking it's gonna be a red candle going down. Based on that's not a big, that's a weak candle to me. So it's a possibility it may go down, but I'll wait for confirmation before I make a decision.
To go with buyers or sellers?
Yes, sir.
I'm going with sellers.
Okay, very good. Next.
Yes, sir. I will go with sellers because this pin to close below this support level. This sellers area is close below the level.
Do you know, is it a strong level or not?
We don't know whether.
I don't know.
It's no, sir.
Then how can I go with sellers?
Sir.
Strong sellers motive. Okay. Okay, that is a good answer. Okay, very good. So strong sellers momentum, and this is a reversal point.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
There is a rejection, right?
Rejection, right,
Okay,
sir.
very good answer. So this is a strong buyers area. We are seeing a strong candle. There is a rejection. Previous candle is a strong bearish momentum. There is a
Rejection.
and this is a bullish momentum. 1 minute. So this is a bullish momentum, and after this strong candle, still we are seeing a bearish entry. So the next candle will go up. Okay, there is a 50 candles. According to your analysis, there is a 50 candles. It's better to avoid, my opinion. Or if you want to place a trade, it's better to place a higher option because of this strong bullish momentum, because of this strong buyer's entry. So there is a chance to go up from this level, not to go down. Okay, I will show you the next candle. The next candle is a bearish candle. Okay, actually, we can guess that this is a strong bullish momentum. Still, we are seeing a strong candle. A splint up candle is a sign of reversal. So, possibility of the next candle is a bullish candle. But instead of bullish candle, we are seeing a bearish candle. What will be the next candle?
Bullish candle, sir.
I think bullish.
Why?
Bullish.
Why?
Because this candle closed above the level,
Okay.
and there is it ended at the bullish. Buyer's entry point only, near buyer's entry point. So that is a hammer candle, sir.
And I agree with him. This is Jeffrey again. It closed above the support level, and I'm thinking going to be a bullish candle in the buyer's area.
Okay. Next.
I think it's gonna be a red one because you have a strong bearish momentum here. Then we have this hammer candle, and it's closing near its seller's area. So buyers are here right now. So I'm expecting that this candle is gonna fill this space because buyers also are here too. So I'm expecting it's gonna fill and then it's maybe go up.
Okay, good answer. Next.
Sir, I will go with buyers, sir.
Why?
Because the sellers are here, sir. And the candle closes at the level.
And the buyers also here, right?
Yes, sir.
The sellers are here, the buyers are here, the closing part is in between the level.
Yes, sir. But there is some gap, sir.
There is a gap here, there is a gap here too.
Yes, sir. And but this is a buyer zone, sir. And previously,
This is a buyer zone.
Yes, sir.
This is a buyer's one.
Yes,
We are seeing a buyer's entry, but still we are seeing a seller's entry. The buyers changed their intent from here to here, right? Now the buyers are here. On meta will
Sir, I will go with the buyers.
Okay.
Sir,
So
I'll also go with the buyers.
this is a buyer's area.
Yes.
We are seeing a buyer's entry from this level, and the seller's entry from this level, and the seller's entry from this level too, right?
Yes.
So there is a gap here. There is a gap here. The closing point is between these two levels. Can you go with buyers or sellers?
Sir, I will go
I'll
with buyers,
go
sir.
with buyers, sir.
Sir, I also go with the buyers because of the rejection and the pattern. There is a hammer and there is a form. Because hammer will like that, the buyers, the market will come down and the buyers again put the candle up. So the sellers are facing the resistance and the buyers are resisting with the sellers. So I think it will go up.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
There is a strong momentum, first of all. And even in this strong momentum, we are seeing this weak buyer, sir. And there is also rejection, and there is also strong, this is seller, strong buyer. This is seller.
Again a rejection, right?
Yeah, and also rejection there. So go with buyers.
A very good answer. So there is a rejection and a weak seller's entry after this strong buyer's entry, and still the market is at the buyer's area. So the next candle will go up, okay, mostly. But there is a chance to go down to, because after this strong bullish momentum, bullish candle, still we are seeing a seller's entry, and the buyers made their entry point here, not here. Okay, the buyers are here. Previously the buyers are here, so there is a chance to fill this gap too. But mostly the next candle will go up because we are seeing a weak bearish candle, and there is a rejection still from the. I will show you the next candle here.
Please mute your microphone.
Yes, the next candle is a bearish candle, not a bullish candle. Buyers tried, but they failed. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
Sir, there is a noise.
Yes.
Sir, seller, sir. I'll go with seller.
Why?
Sir, there is a very strong seller pressure, and still we are seeing a seller candle, sir.
At the buyer's area.
Yeah, sir.
And
Two
I
times.
agree with him. I believe it's going to be a seller, a red candle, because it broke the level. It closed below those two levels, and it was rejected from the buyers at the top. So next candle is a red candle.
Next.
I think it's gonna be a red candle because sellers try to break this level and fail, and then they are trying again, and maybe this time is gonna do it because buyers try to enter here, but sellers won the fight, and the next level is here. The next buyer's zone here. So I'm expecting, and this pattern is a continuation sign. So I'm expecting a bearish candle up to this level.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
It will be a green candle.
Okay.
Sellers broke that level.
Okay. 1 minute. Just tell me one by one. Yes, one.
It will be, as my view, it will be a green candle. It broke the level, and the next candle will be a retracement candle. So it will be a green candle.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
The seller's level has been moved to the bottom of the previous candle. So the the last candle closed at that level, so it will be a green candle, because in the last candle also we can see a huge buying pressure. So till that time it will go to.
Okay, next.
Sir, I'll go sellers because it broke the level, and higher seller pressure also there on the top of it.
Okay.
Sir, I will go with the sellers because we are seeing that whenever the buyers try to break the level, the sellers come again, and there is a continuation pattern because there is a bearish movement and one single candle. This green one couldn't. I don't think that it will reverse the market from here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there are some buyers, strong buyers, but after this candle we are seeing a seller center. It means the buyers are not interested and there is no upper rejection to. Directly we are seeing a seller entry in this candle, and after this candle there is a chance to go up, but still we are seeing a bearish candle, that too with a strong selling pressure. So there are no chance to break this level because there is a level, there is a strong buyers area. At the strong buyers area we are seeing a strong buyers entry but not a strong bullish momentum, because after this buyers entry still we are seeing a sellers entry, again a sellers entry at the same level. We are seeing a bearish candles at the buyers area. It means the buyers are not interested, or a buyers are not strong. So a candle may break this level very easily. This level, the market may break this level very easily, so it may go down mostly. Sometimes it will go up because of this buying pressure, but the buyers are not strong, the sellers are strong in the market, so it will go down. Sometimes it will go up. Okay, I will show you the candle here. Okay, still we are seeing a seller center, not a buyer center. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
Yeah, buy.
So green
It would
candle.
be a buy candle.
Why?
So there is a rejection at this buyer level.
From where?
Hello, sir. So I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, from this
Yes.
level, there is a rejection, sir.
Yes, ask me a question.
So this candle, this one, does it mean is it a continuation sign, sir, or we must get a confirmation to get this?
Actually, this is a, we can take this candle as the reversal sign, but if you unlike this market, okay, just a minute. So, this is using point is at the middle of the trend. Okay, so we can take this candle as a continuation sign. Here, this is a reversal sign, but this is a strong buyers area. After this candle, no buyers entry. After this candle too, till no buyers entry, means we can take this candle as a continuation sign. So we should analyze the market. This is a possibility of reversal, but we should analyze the market. We can't place our trade with one single logic. Like this is a resistance level, this is a resistance level. We can't place a lower option, we can't place lower option on the rest candle directly. Because we should see a rejection, we should see a trend, we should see any projection on the left side, and we should see a buyer's entry and seller's entry and a strong buyer's area and seller's area, or anything, all the things. We should see all the points to predict the next candle easily. Because 1 minute I will tell you one thing. Okay, 1 minute I will tell you one thing. So this is a resistance level. At the resistance level, the market will reverse. This is a logic actually. So at the resistance level, we can expect a reversal, but not every time. We don't know. Sometimes it will reverse, sometimes it will go up, but we don't know it will reverse or not. But if you see a rejection in this candle, it means the rejection is telling us the seller's entry in the market. So this is a seller's area and this is a seller's entry. So we can go with sellers confidently. And if you see this is a strong sellers area, if this is a strong sellers area, this is a sellers area and a strong sellers area, a rejection from sellers. So we can expect a reversal confidently. And if this is a downtrend, I already told you, if the trend is downtrend, the downtrend will happen in the market because of strong sellers with compared to buyers. If the trend is uptrend, it means the buyers are very strong with compared to sellers. If the trend is downtrend, the sellers are very strong with compared to buyers. Here the minor trend is uptrend, means the buyers are very strong. So it's better to go with buyers if the trend is a uptrend. So we should see all the things. The trend is uptrend and this is strong buyers area. This is a sign of reversal. You can see if we are following the trend here and a sign of reversal, it means this is also a sign to go with buyers and this is also a sign to go with buyers. Okay, we have three possibilities to go with buyers. We have only one possibility, that is a strong candle. It may break this level. We have only one possibility. We can't follow the one possibility to win. We should follow three possibilities to win. So we should see all the things before going to place our trade. So here, 1 minute, I will draw here. Here, so there is a level, a strong buyers area. Actually, this is a strong buyers area. We can expect a strong reversal too from this level. You can see, but it didn't touch this level, it reversed directly. I will draw this level too. Okay, it didn't touch this level, it reversed directly because of this strong sellers entry, or there might be a level on the left side. So this is a strong buyers area. We are seeing a strong buyers entry, but still we are seeing a sellers entry. So the sellers entry is not strong and there is a strong rejection. We can expect a buyers entry. The buyers entered but they failed. Again, still we are seeing a sellers entry. In this candle also we are seeing a sellers entry. In this candle also we are seeing a sellers entry. The buyers are trying but they failed. Bullish candle at the buyers area. At the buyers area we are seeing a bearish candle. It means the buyers are not strong. So we can't go with buyers, right? That's why we are seeing a bearish candle again. Still we are seeing a bearish candle. The body, this body is bigger than this body. This body is bigger than this body. It means the sellers are becoming more powerful step by step. And the next possibility of reversal is here and the next rejection point is here. We are seeing a bearish momentum, continuation of the bearish momentum. So we can't go with sellers because this is not a reversal point, because we are not seeing any bullish candle after this candle. Bearish candle, again a bearish candle. The sellers are becoming more powerful. We can't go with buyers.
So next,
Clear?
Next can trade hammer.
Clear?
I think next candle will trade hammer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So the next candle may go down because we are seeing a bearish momentum now. There is no sellers, there is no buyers, and there is no weakness in the sellers. The sellers are becoming more powerful, right? And the closing point is not at the buyers area, right? Here the closing point is near to this buyers area. It reversed. Here the closing point is far from the level, and here also there is a the closing point is far from the level, but already we know the seller's entry, and this is a sign of reversal. The candle closed above this level, so there is a chance to reverse. But here there is a reversal point, and the next level is here. Here also there is a chance to reverse, but this is not a strong candle like this. to take this candle as a reversal sign, right? This is not a strong candle like this, and we are seeing a strong bullish momentum, and this is not very strong candle to go with buyers, and the candle closing point is at the far from this level. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, seller's entry. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
The next candle is bullish candle, sir.
Why?
Because this is an inverted hammer which closed above the level.
Okay.
So here there is a
And
strong
also the candle is weak.
Okay.
candle is weak.
It's a weak entry, sir. The buyer candle is very weak, so next candle is a green candle.
Green candle. This is Jeffrey.
Yes. Tell me the reason.
Yeah, rejection from
Yes.
buyers and the sellers became weak. Hence, it will be a green
Suddenly.
candle.
The buyers are becoming more powerful, but it became weak, right?
Yes.
There is a rejection. Yes, next.
I think it's gonna be a green one because I think that sellers are losing their momentum because it's taking a long time to go
buyers
here.
are
So
trying.
the buyers are trying to enter, and also we have this hammer here that is a reversal sign in a buyer's area. So probably we are gonna see at least one green candle here, and then may go, but at least one green candle.
Next.
Sir, most
I
of
go
the
with
time
best.
I have observed.
Yes, Mr. Krishna.
So I have observed most of the time the level which is not meant to be broken. You observe that this level, the market is reversing from here. Whenever we reach to the level, the candles become weak.
Yes.
The candles become weak. Same like here, we have a strong candles, but the candle become here. When it reaches here, it's become weak. So we have a side. I also observe. It's my observation that from this level the market will reverse because it's a weak candle. Whenever it reaches a point, a reversal level, it become weak.
Yes.
In some scenarios, I have observed that.
Yes.
Sir, I will go with buyers, sir. But I take a confirmation with this level, a rejection.
Krishna.
So next candle will be a green candle because hammer on the support level. But I will take the confirmation because it's got some gap between hammer head and the support one.
In this gap. But the sellers are weak
Yes.
in this gap.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. I'll go with the buyers. Reason one is this one, and the number one reason, support area. Number two is the rejection, and number three is the weak candle.
Okay, very good answer. Okay, I will show this candle here. We are seeing a bullish candle.
I think yes, candle. Green.
Can you remove this?
Oh.
Yes. Remove this one.
How do I remove that?
Yes. Okay, the next candle is a bullish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
This is Jeffrey. That's a weak bullish candle. Sadoji. It may go up, maybe a green candle, but I will wait and get my 5-second confirmation because it may reverse and continue on down. But that's a hammer over there. But I would just wait and see on this one.
Yes. Next.
Sir, I go with seller.
Why?
Sir, it's a strong bearish momentum and weak bullish candle previous compared to currently now. Then I will go to seller.
Yes. Very good answer. Next.
Will be
Sir,
very
I'll go
weak,
with
sir.
the buyers, sir.
Hmm?
Hello, sir. I'll go with the
Yes.
buyers because the sellers are very weak at the seller buyers area.
Buyers
And
also very
sir, buyer, this is a reversal sign, I think. This doji candle
okay.
at the level, this doji candle closed above the level. So the next level is far from the this candle closing point. So buyers may enter. Again.
Okay, okay, very good.
Sir, I will go with seller, sir.
Hi, Mahesh.
So bullish candle because this is not doji candle, sir. This is green candle.
Yes.
And then buyers made a new high. This is a SNR level, sir.
Yes.
Previous two candle buyers rejection is more powerful, sir.
Yes. Very good.
That's
Next, Rajesh.
Sir, I will go with seller, sir.
Yes, Mark.
Because previous we saw a very big candle.
Yes.
But this time the buyers are not entered very strongly.
Yes.
That's why I will go with sellers.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
So
Next
weak buyer candle plus green spinning top is also it is weak, sir. So buyers are weak here. So it will go with sellers, sir.
Okay, very good answer.
There is a price. There is a price bar here.
Yes.
There is a
Yes.
price bar here.
Yes.
So it closed at that level because the previous seller entered from that price bar itself. So it will go down.
Okay, very good answer. So at the strong buyers area, we are seeing a weak buyers entry. It means the buyers are not interested or buyers are very weak at the buyers area. If the buyers are very weak at the buyers area, we can go with sellers. And the previous momentum also a strong bearish momentum. Buyers tried again the buyers tried, but they made a weak bullish candle at the strong buyers area. If you see any strong weak bullish candle at the strong buyers area, it means the candle cost of the selling pressure. It will continue the market. Mostly the next candle will go down, not it will go up. Mostly the next candle will be a bearish candle. Sometimes it will go up, but we should place a lower option, not a higher option here. Or there is a chance to go up because of these buyers. There is a chance to go down because of these sellers. At this type of situation, it's better to avoid. Or if you want to place a trade, I will recommend you to place a lower option, not a higher option, because the buyers are very weak and still there is a gap. Okay, I will show you the next candle. We are seeing a bullish candle, not a bearish candle. Actually, the next candle will go down, but still, what will be the next candle?
Sir, I will go with buyers, sir.
Why?
Because sellers not interested in this place, sir.
Yes.
That's why I go with buyers. Sir,
Okay,
sellers. So buyers, sir, buyers.
Buyers, okay, very good answer. Next.
This is Jeffrey. I'm going with sellers because it did not break the high of the previous candle, and it's still a weak. Yes, it did not break that high. It's still a weak, very weak candle. So I'm taking it down.
There is a row number, right?
Excuse me.
There is a row number, right?
Yes, it didn't break that high right there. And
But the row number, we don't know the strongness of this row number, right?
Right.
How can we go with sellers?
Sellers, yes.
If you know the strongness of this row number, we can go with sellers. If you don't know, it's better to go with buyers, right?
So
Yeah.
I will.
I'm gonna go with buyers here because I see that buyers are entering. Again, buyers are entering, and this is on a spinning top. The next sellers area here is here, so maybe price is gonna go here, at least to this point. That's why I'm gonna go with buyers here.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Sir, there is still a weak buyer, sir, here.
Okay.
So there is a chance for red candle, sir.
Yes. Again, buyers enter, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I will go with this.
Buyers.
Yes.
Sir, I will go with the seller, sir, because the trend is downtrend. and the buyers are very weak. They failed to make a new high, so sellers again enter. I think
Okay.
to make a new low.
There is no new high, there is no new low, right?
Yes, sir.
So in Asian market, it's better to avoid, right?
Yes, sir.
No new high means we can't go with buyers. No new low means we can't go with sellers, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it's better to avoid.
But
Okay.
trend
What
is
about
low
it?
trend,
Yes.
sir.
Trend is down trend, but
Mm,
after this candle still we are seeing buyers entry, not
Yes.
a sellers entry. Actually, the next candle will go down, but still we are seeing a buyers entry means, and that too the buyers entry at this bullish candle, there is no strong rejections like this, right?
Yes, sir.
It means there is no strong sellers entry. There is no sellers domination in the market, right?
At the
Okay, I will
point
show
there
you
is
the
no
next.
sellers or no
Okay,
stocks.
no problem.
Strong
If
buyers.
you don't have confidence, it's better to avoid.
Yes.
You no need to worry. Sometimes it means no need to trade on this point. You can avoid this trade. Okay, I will show you the next candle. Can you guess? Yes. Tell me, what will be the next candle?
Okay, next candle is going to be a bullish candle because it's support right here at the top there of that long candlestick. So resistance right there at that top. So next candle going to be a bullish candle.
You are good answer next.
I think it's gonna be a red candle because I have a seller's area here at this point. These big candles reverse the market, so I'm expecting here at least a doji or something like that.
Okay, very good. Next.
The next candle is going to be a red candle because here there is a seller's level, and long green candle also sign of reversal. No, that's
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Sir, this is the candle marble the candle, sir. This is a sign of reversal, and it closed at the strong seller's entry point. So the next candle will be red candle, sir.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Can we take this as a breakout because
Sir, I think
for our lines this is a breakout.
green pin bar.
Okay, very good.
I will go with buyer, sir.
In this candle. Where is the sellers here?
Here.
In this candle, where is the sellers?
In this candle, the one with red, right?
This candle. In this candle, where is the sellers?
Here.
Draw here, where is the sellers? This one, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Is there any sellers here?
No, sir.
We don't know.
Yes, we don't know, sir.
We don't know. But we know the seller's entry is from this level, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The seller's entry is from this level,
Yes,
right?
sir. This is their seller's entry, so I will go with buyers.
Right. This is a sign of reversal. This is a bearish momentum, but the sellers are not here. Previous the sellers are here, but now the sellers are here. We can't go with sellers from this level because at this strong bearish momentum, we are seeing the sellers entry is from this level, right? At this strong sellers area, we are seeing the sellers entry is from this level. So we can go with buyers, buyers, buyers until the market reach this level. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So we should observe this point every time. Okay, always observe this point while trading, while practicing. Okay, the sellers are here. Okay, now the sellers are here. I will show you the next candle. Okay, there are more chance to go up, not go down. This is a strong candle, is a sign of reversal to go with sellers. Okay, Now tell me what will the next candle.
This is Jeffrey again. The next candle I think gonna be a red candle because it's gonna go up there. I think it's gonna go up there and hit support and bounce off. Even though that's a strong candle right there, it may go up green and then turn around red. So I'm gonna say a red candle because of the resistance up there.
Sir, I will go with buyers, sir.
I'll go.
Yes.
Because
Oh,
this is
yes, I got.
Yes, tell me the reason.
because this is a strong candle from the level, sir, from buyer's level, and the level also far from this candle.
Okay, very good. Next.
Sir,
So we can see here our sellers. So we are seeing a momentum of bullish momentum here, and we have no rejection from here. So maybe it's gonna fill at least this point.
At least a weak candle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next.
Sir, this candle will be green, sir, because the bullish momentum is very strong, sir, and there is also a pressure from the buyer's end.
Very good. From this level, right? We
Yes,
are
sir.
seeing a pressure from this level, means this is the level, actual level, right? We can try this level. Yes, next.
I'll go with buyers.
Maybe the candle will go down because previously we have seen there is also a level. There is a seller's entry from this level. The sellers are also here.
Here.
Yes, sir. The sellers are also here.
Yes, very good.
But we have to compare the previous candle only, right? This is not a level. Yes, yes. So we have a gap, sir. So we should be go for up.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
It will be a green candle because it's a strong bullish trend. Then it closes on this level. Also, we have a gap here,
Yes.
so that's why it will be a green candle.
Okay, very good answer. So if there is any uptrend, we can go with the trend. We can go with this trend and we can go with this trend until we get any reversal point, a strong reversal point. I will show you the strong reversal point here. We are seeing a strong reversal point here and here and here. The market is reversing from this level. It means we can go with sellers from this level, or after breakout of this candle we can go with sellers because there is a breakout of the level. We are seeing a breakout candle. It means there is a chance to reverse and the candle is a strong candle, but not here. The sellers are here. How can you go with sellers after this breakout? It may be a real breakout. It may go up. We can't take this candle as a real fake breakout because we already know the sellers are not here, the sellers are here. This is a reversal point, but after this breakout, we can't go with sellers because the sellers are here already, we know. So after to go with sellers after breakout, we should analyze the market first. Here there is a breakout, we can go with sellers, but the sellers are here, there is a gap, we can't go with sellers. So even if you get any confirmation, we can't go with sellers after this candle. The possibility of reversal point is here and here and here also. Point. And the next seller's entry point is here, and this candle is very strong candle and there is no upper rejection and still there is a gap. So the market may fill this gap like this at least for 1 minute. If the candle will close like this, then we can expect a reversal, or if the candle will close like this, we can expect a continuation at least to this next entry point. So we can because we don't know how strong the level is, right? We don't know how strong the sellers are. The sellers are very strong in this candle only, but there is no strong projection on the left side, right? Here there is a projection, here also there is a projection. So we can trust this level. If market come to this level again, but there is no strong projection on the left side. Here there is a rejection, but there is no level on the left side to go with.
Sir, I have a question. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, what is the price action?
Price action is on meta will show you. There is a price action in the market. Okay? The price pull back from this level. Yes, available. Got it? Okay. Yeah. The next candle is a strong bullish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
So next candle will be bullish candle, sir.
Why?
Because the market tried already two times to break this level, and it went to the level with a very strong momentum. So there is a chance to break this level.
So in this situation, the 50-50 chance.
50-50 chance.
Yes. We need to confirmation. Why? Because it's the high bullish momentum. So it kind of reversal also.
Okay, very good answer. So you said this is a 50-50 chance. It may go up because of this bullish momentum. It may go down because of this bearish momentum. So it's better to avoid. My advice is it's better to avoid. Don't trade.
Yes.
If you don't have the confidence. Okay, I'll show you the next candle. We are seeing a bullish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
I'm thinking the next candle would be a red candle because that's a weak candle. It hits support and close below support right there, resistant up there. But I'm thinking the next candle gonna be a red candle because the buyer will reject it at the top.
I think we now have sellers at this point.
Yes, sellers are trying to dominate the market.
We say that we have to wait here, and then after waiting, we can see that sellers are not interested here. So it's maybe
market, right?
Go a little bit higher here, I think.
Yes, but the candle is not strong to continue the market. This is a big candle. How can we trust?
Hello, sir.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Sure. It's spinning.
I'll go with seller.
Right.
Okay, confirmation one. I have confirmation one. This is the seller area, and through the rejection, there is a rejection at that level. Price closed at that level. I would go with seller as the next candle.
Answer next.
I'll go with seller, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there anyone to go with buyers from this level?
Yes, sir, I am.
Yes. Yes, Mark.
Sir, because of previous candle is a reversal candle on the level, but instead of sellers, we are seeing a buyers. So
how can I say instead of sellers? This is a very strong candle, right?
Yes, sir, but there is a level, sir, strong level.
Yes.
Instead of reverse, that continued the buyers.
A strong level means there is a chance to reverse. A strong candle and a strong bullish momentum means there is a chance to break out, right?
Yes.
A 50-50 chance. Yes. How can I say this?
Sir, and previous also I saw a trend line.
This one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
That candle reverse from here.
Yes.
That's why I go with buyers.
Yes. Okay, very good. Next.
Sir, the momentum is strong, but again we are seeing weak buyers, sir, in seller area.
Sellers area. Sellers are trying to dominate the market.
Yes, sir.
Very good answer. So a weak buyers at the sellers area, and the sellers are trying to dominate the market. There is no strong candidate. There is no breakout candidate. at this area, it means there is a chance to go at least for 1 minute. And according to this Mark opinion, there is a chance to go up because it got support from this trend line. This next candle here, okay, we are seeing a bearish candle, not a bullish candle. So the market got support from this level. So there is, but there is no bullish candle. We are seeing a bearish candle. Can you guess what is the next candle?
Sir, bullish candle, sir.
Why?
Because in the sellers area, we are seeing a very weak sellers. Very weak sellers candle. So previously there is a strong bullish momentum.
Okay.
So next candle will be this is a continuation sign only. Yes, sir.
Very good. Next.
Same here, sir. Same.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
See, just a minute. See, this line is a strong support line, right?
Which line right here?
Just a minute. This one. These lines.
Yes.
These lines were. It's not a support line, right? Not a strong line.
This is a strong sellers area actually, but we are seeing the sellers entry from this level, right?
Yes.
Without touching this level, that's why I have drawn this trend line. So there is a possibility of reversal from this level. If market come to this level, or after breakout, if the market come to this level, we can expect a reversal.
Okay. So the bullish movement of the breakout, the strong
Trendy market.
This candle break out the strong level, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, I'm gonna say it's gonna be a bearish candle, even though the first green candle was a weak candle. This even a weaker candle. It did not make a higher high or a lower low of the previous candle.
Indian market, right?
Yes, and it's a wait and see for me. But I'm gonna say bearish because it may make another little small red candle
like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, very good answer.
Just wait and see.
Okay, let's wait for the next candle, right?
It's the same reason for me.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will show you the next candle. Don't worry, we can't place our trade on the next candle, but mostly the next candle will go up because at the strong sellers area we are seeing a weak sellers entry, a strong buyers entry, a bullish momentum. So the next candle will be a bullish candle. I will show you the next candle. Not a bullish candle, a bearish candle, but mostly the next candle will go up 90% of the time. Sometimes it will go down. Okay, it will go up. According at this type of situation, whenever you face this type of situation, always place a higher option on the next candle. But here we are seeing a bearish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
A bearish candle.
Bearish candle, sir.
Why?
Bearish candle to the seller area. This also seller area.
Seller area.
Yeah.
Sir, I go with buyers, sir.
Why?
Sir, this is the buyers area and the candle close to the level.
Yes.
That's why I go with buyers. And buyers also very strong previously.
Right?
This is Jeffrey again. I may go with a green candle as well because it didn't close below that previous green candle here. So it's good.
There is a rejection.
It got rejection. Yeah, it sure did. And so I prefer to take this nut green.
The trend also uptrend.
Yes.
Yes.
It's going to green first.
Yes, Ibn?
I think it's gonna be a red one because we have a huge entry here, and yes, and now they are entering, and this is a strong seller's entry here. So I think it's gonna start going down here. That's the reason. This is a strong candle here.
This is a resistance.
Oh, I see. Anyways, I think it's gonna be a red one here because I saw a lot of time this type of when we have a lot of green candles, then the market try to compensate this type of huge momentum here, and we are in a range market here. That's why I'm expecting an entry from seller here. So that's why I'm gonna enter here.
Very good answer.
Sellers.
Next.
I'll go with seller, sir.
Why?
Strong sellers area, one. And then second is buyers are not interested here, this area. Although this is uptrend momentum, but
Interested here, right?
yes. So
What about this?
The next candle will be bearish, sir.
Yes, Mahesh.
Bearish, sir. Next candle, sir.
Bearish.
Yes, sir. It's because of previous doji candlestick. After that, sellers are entered strongly, sir.
Okay.
Not strong, but the SNR level will be. We will see the strong red candle, sir. There is no
Yes,
bias
SNR
in
level.
this area.
This is also a SNR level. The trend line also a SNR level, right?
Yes, sir.
I have drawn this trend line. The market is exactly at the level. There is the rejection. What about this?
That is no, sir. It will go up, sir.
Okay. Because of this rejections.
No, lower rejection, sir.
Lower rejection.
Sir, the next candle is bullish candle, sir.
Okay.
Because the buyer's entry point is here. There is a strong level here. This candle failed to cross this level and got rejection from this level. So there will be next candle will be a bullish candle.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good answer. Okay, I will show you this candle. So the trend is uptrend here, and there is a rejection, and there is no reversal after this candle. The candle broke this level, but this is previously this is a
strong
resistance level. There is a rejection. The rejection is showing us the buyer's entry in the market. Already we know the price action on the left side. Rejection. Here also the buyer's rejection. Again we are seeing a buyer's rejection at the previous resistance level. So the market may got this. The market may got support from this level. Again it may go up. There are more chance to go up from this level. So the next candle will be a bullish candle, not a bearish candle. I will show you this candle here. So the next candle is a bullish candle. What will be the next candle? Okay, I don't see a consolidation area. There is no movement in the market. The market is moving in this way. A consolidation area we can't trade now because we are seeing a consolidation area. There is no proper movement in the market. So it's better to avoid until we get any strong reversal point or any strong breakout candlestick. Net, I will show you. So there is a level here. Here also there is a level. Also there is a level. And there is a level here. Okay. So we should wait for at least for 1 minute or 2 minutes to predict the market. I will show you the next candle here. Okay, a strong candle. Okay, the candle is a breakout candlestick, and the next possibility reversal point is here. Can you guess what will be the next candle?
Sir, I think it's green candle, sir, because big candles are reversal sign.
Buyers area on the left side.
Sir, it will reverse the market from this point. It will in buy. I think a buy candle.
Sir, I go with seller, sir.
Yes.
I go with seller, sir.
Why?
Because the level is far from this candle. At least some gap. Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's why I go with sellers.
This is Jeffrey again. I'm gonna agree with him. I'm gonna go with the sellers because this is the seller zone, and it broke that little support that was crossed here at the top of that long wick candle. So I'm thinking it's gonna be a red candle.
Very good. Next.
Next candle will be.
I'm gonna go with sellers because I don't see rejection here. So I think it's gonna go to this level.
Okay, very good answer. Is there anyone to go with buyers?
No, sir.
No. Okay, the
Lower
possibility
rejection
of
is not there, sir.
yes, the possibility of buyer's entry is here. Rejection, buyer's entry, and the possibility of the level is here. And there is a gap. This is a bullish. This is a bearish engulfing candle, and the sellers tried, but they failed under buyer's entry. The sellers tried very strongly. Finally, it broke this consolidation area. The possibility of the next level is here. If the candle closed here like this, then we can go with buyers because the strong candle is a sign of reversal. This is a buyer's area. But the candle closed far from the level. How can we go with buyers confidently? We can't take this candle as a reversal sign because we can take this candle as a reversal sign if the candle closed at the buyer's area. But the candle closed in the middle of the trend and a engulfing candle. We are seeing a strong seller's entry from the strong seller's area. So the next candle will go down. Okay, there is a bearish candle again. Yes, tell me now.
Next candle gonna be a green candle because it's gonna hit that support. This is Jeffrey again. Gonna be a green candle because it's gonna hit that support down here in reverse.
What is the next candle? Bearish or bullish?
Oh, it's gonna be a bullish green candle.
Green candle. Tell me the reason. This one? Okay, very good.
Yes, sir. Gonna hit that level and reverse.
Okay. Already we know this is a reversal point. The market is at the reversal point. So there is a chance to reverse too.
Yes, yes. Strong reversal point.
A strong reversal point. We are seeing reversal. The market is at the level. The candle is also very strong candle. Here also, it didn't touch this level, but it reversed. Because this is a reversal point, so there is a chance to reverse from this level. If you want to place a trade, it's better to place a higher option. If you don't want to place a trade, it's better to avoid a bullish candle. What will the next?
Next, bearish candle, sir.
Why?
Because of the strong buyer's entry point, we are seeing a very weak buyer's candle. Okay. And previously, there is a strong seller's momentum. So, and the next level is next to buyer's level is here, entry level. So, next candle will be seller's candle on this.
Okay, very good. Next.
Sir, I agree with
Okay, very good. Next.
I think it's going to be a bearish one because we are seeing a huge seller's momentum here. And at this point where it's changing directions, we are seeing a weak bullish candle. So this momentum may continue here.
Yes, sir.
This is Jeffrey.
Strong level actually. This is a strong level. But the strong level means the market will reverse at least for 1 minute. We can't guess the market as a trend reversal from this level. Okay? We can't expect a trend reversal from this level. This is a strong level. The strong level means the market may reverse at least for 1 minute. And previous momentum is very strong momentum. We are seeing a big bullish candle. Expect a continuation from this level. Okay, we'll show you the next candle here. So again a bearish candle. Okay, I will show you here. So you should see the momentum and the size of the candle and the rejection and the next strong seller's area, the next strong buyer's area and the strong level and the next level and the momentum and the trend and the rejection and the next entry point. We should observe all these points, if you observe all these points, then you can predict the next candle easily and you can place your trade with confidence. If you know all these points, you should observe all these points to predict the next candle. If there is no strong enough level on the left side, you can go with buyers, you can go with buyers continuously, you can go with sellers continuously. If there is any level on the left side, you can go with sellers or you can go with buyers, or it's better to avoid. It's better to wait for the next candle. Then you can decide. If you are confident, then place your trade. If you don't have confidence, then avoid to trade on that minute and wait for the next candle. Then you can easily predict the next candlestick. So you should know the reversal sign and continuation sign and the level and the strong sellers area and the trend line and momentum and the strong reversal point and everything.
Hi, sir.
Consolidation area. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The one that you just said a while ago, is there a sequence that we can follow on those things that you have said? Like, first we look at the trend.
Yes. The trend.
Yes. And then the next one is
The trend
level.
and
Hello, sir.
rejections.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
sir. I didn't get you. I got
And a reversal candle and continuation candle and the momentum and the entry points. Okay. And the entry points too.
Okay, sir.
It reverses the possibility of the next candle will go up from this level.
Okay, sir.
So you should know the entry points. You should see the entry points and the strong sellers area and the strong buyers area and the strong level, strong reversal points and the reversal sign and the next possibility reversal points. You should observe all these things. Then you can easily predict the next candlestick. Okay? You can't analyze all these things in 1 minute. It's very hard. But if you practice,
Yes, sir.
you can easily predict the next candlestick. You can easily analyze the next candlestick. Okay?
Yes.
Got it?
Okay. So we'll just follow those sequence until we
So
get.
first, okay, very good. Okay, practice this all things and practice on demo account. We'll continue tomorrow session because it's very late here. It's almost 12 a.m. here.
Yes.
If you get any doubts, you can ask me tomorrow. I will clarify your doubts and write down your doubts and then contact me tomorrow. I will clarify your doubts. Okay? Not today. And practice this all things tomorrow. And one thing I will show you. Okay, here this is a level and the market tried, failed, again it tried, again it failed very strongly. But instead of bearish candle, if you get any bullish candle here like this or like this, you can go with sellers. The sign of this candle is a continuation. Possibility of next level, if the possibility of next level is here, the market will try this level again. If the market failed to break this level, it will go down. If the market break this level, it will go up to next level. Okay, like this. The market tried, but they failed. Again, it reverts from this level. If the market broke this level, or if market continues this level, it will go down to next level. Okay, it will try at least for 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. If the market failed like this, it will go to the next level. Definitely, we can expect a continuation to the next level. If the market broke this level, then it will go up Here the market tried, but they failed in this candle. If they break this level again, it will go up to the next level. Okay, always remember this thing. The market break this level, it will go up to the next level, and it will try this level again 1 or 2 times. If the market fail, it will go to this level again, it will come to this level again, it will go up. If market fail here, if market success to break this level, it will go to this level again. Okay, here the market fail, that's why we are seeing the downtrend here. Okay, always remember this thing. Practice on demo account. If you get any doubts, any questions, then contact me tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to close this session. Bye everyone. Good night everyone.
Okay, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
See you tomorrow, sir. Good night.
Bye. Good night. Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
No, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you so much.
Good night. Bye.